Hey guys, welcome back. I've got a Toro lawnmower here with a broken handlebar right here. It just snapped. Now to get this new handlebar is quite expensive from Toro, so what I will do today is show you how to improvise and do a good job and just repair it so that it's better than before. And I was super fortunate. I had a piece of pipe in my junk that fits exactly over the existing handlebars like this. So I cut a piece that's about 2.5 inches long. It's going to be welded on the handle just like that, and then the drive bar here will go through here. But before I weld it, I will drill a hole, because as you can see here, there was already a hole there, and I've got it in the drill press here. I'm using a 23/64 drill bit. Now I didn't want to put this pipe too tight in the vise because I didn't want it to get egg-shaped. Because if it does get egg-shaped or oval, it won't be able to fit on the handlebars properly. So I'll try it again here, make sure my hole lines up. So before I weld this, I want to make sure it's all going to fit in there properly. So that'll work. Now I'm going to just mark it here and then clean off the paint and MIG weld that piece of pipe onto the handlebars. Alright, so I got a small disc here on my die grinder. I'm just going to clean off some of the paint. Okay, let's get the pipe in again. And now I'm going to put in the drive lever just to line up the piece. And today I'll be using my Lincoln Electric 180C MIG welder, and I am using the Argo Shield gas with it. And I'll turn that gas tank on here. And I'm just going to kind of pulse MIG manually, because if I keep the bead going, it might get too hot. This is very thin metal, and you want to make sure you don't blow through it. Okay, it's all there nice and solid. Everything works good now. I didn't take too much off of the welds because I didn't want to weaken them too much. You can make it look prettier, but you may weaken the welds. And I always like to throw a coat of paint on all my welds. It just stops them from rusting, and it does look better. Here's another look at it, all painted up. Much more solid than it was before. And there you can see it underneath. Super solid. No play in the handlebars now. So it just goes to show, guys, if you have a welder in your shop, and I have reviewed quite a few little welders in the past few months, and the reason I reviewed a lot of welders is because some of you guys cannot afford, or it's not worth it for you guys to spend crazy money on a brand name machine. But you can buy a small machine like this that I have reviewed for about $200 US, $240 Canadian, and this little machine here does a super good job, and you can hook up your Argo Shield gas on this one as well. $200 versus $2,200. For some of you guys, this is the better option. It will do you for a long time because you're not going to use your welder every day in your small engine shop. Also, what I recommend is when you scrap a mower, just save the handlebars because you might use them on another machine. If I had another set of handlebars, I would have just put them on instead of welding it the way I did. Also, I save a lot of small pieces of metal like flat bar, square tubing, round pipe, etc. because you never know when you're going to need a small piece to do a welding job like I did today. Hopefully the video has helped you. If it has, please like it, share it with your friends, and make sure you're subscribed. Have a great day.